Does your VHS not read the VCRs and DVD? Do they not work as well? Well, in this case, I can put the VHS inside and it accepts it, which is good, but it doesn't really play. So it puts up the um, I'm not sure even what we call those things anymore, but it reads the film. I guess we call them film now, and it works. But for this, if I put in the DVD, it shorts out and powers off, and then after 5 minutes, you can plug it in and it works. So at first, I thought it was a power supply issue, but I checked all the diodes using my multimeter and just make sure that they're not shorted. Should get up to like zero point 0.6 forward voltage, and the power seemed to be fine. So something else. Um, so what I did was I did a little bit of research, and they do have the repair manuals online. And if your photodiode is not aligned, it won't play, and it'll eject the DVD VHSs. And so I found a little hack. What you can do is use a little bit of electrical tape on the left-hand side. There's two photodiodes, and I'm just putting it in front of that so it'll always detect that it has seen it. And that will just help so we don't always have to realign it in the future. And when I put it in, and it accepts it and then
So
plays.
right
And so
now
you can see it
I
playing.
have the
So that's
VCR
the fix
working.
for the
I believe it was this
VHS.
transistor wasn't aligned or it had some problem. But if I put a little bit of black tape, so it thinks that it's always seen the tape deck in, it's able to play. Without that, it'll just kick this thing out. So this section works. I believe that there is a short on the CD player. So the issue seems to be with either the laser, because the motor tray comes out, or it could be the motor that makes this go back and forth. So what I ended up doing is disconnecting this small ribbon cable that goes to the laser disc, and that's where the short is. So I'm pretty sure that that also does the motor, so it could be a problem with the motor or the laser disc. So it ejects and it's not going to short, so that kind of like fixed that. It won't play because the laser has been disconnected, but I'll open and close. So this CD drive is shorting out, and I double checked the motors to see if that was an issue, but you can see that the head is moving and it does spin. So that means that we don't have a problem with the motors. But if I connect this cable that goes to the laser head, then it shorts out. So this laser head has a problem. Okay, so you can see if I connect the laser head, we'll put in the CD. So it's working now. What I did was on the laser head, I just peeled a little bit right here. There's this little contact, and this little flex cable was shorting to this guy right here. And so I just pushed those little pins a little bit and made sure that there's a connection right here so it wasn't shorting out. I think that should have fixed it. Let me connect up the data line. Okay, we'll see if this will play some DVDs now. So that's playing the DVD there. That's great. Wonderful. Seems to be working now. That ejection is not the best. Other thing that it may have been was this ribbon cable. When I disconnected it, you'll notice that some of the lines are kind of like broken, and I kind of just straightened them because some of them may have been shorting out on this ribbon cable, this data line, because I noticed that when I removed this cable, the short went away, like it didn't turn off. So it's either this cable here, or you just open this up and just double check down in there that little cable there wasn't shorting out. But those two things seem to have fixed the issue. So that's how to fix your Toshiba SD V395. It's accepting the DVDs. It's playing there. And then also DVD. Insert the DVD here, and then we'll switch over to DVD. And there's DVD playing.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped out. If you enjoy electronics or want to learn about how to fix electronics, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.